Hello, good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me? Anandit, Sarthak, Raktim,
Good
Devang,
evening,
can you
sir.
people hear me? Okay, so let's start. Okay, last day I had given some homework questions. Can you people see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Hello, good evening, Onini. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Onini, after so long you have joined.
I was having my school exams. I'm still having my school exams.
Okay. Did you go through the
Yes.
videos? When will you start going through the videos?
So actually, I have a long gap currently before the next paper. I went through two of the videos. Two are left. So can I
Okay.
complete it and send you the homework tomorrow?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, number one, the answer is option D. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Number one is option D. Number two is option B. Number three is 101 to the power 50. Number four is a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt from one to four? Tell me. Raktim, Devank, Anandit, and Sarthok. Anyone having any doubt from one to four? Okay. Number five is also a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? Five, six. Six, I'm writing down the answers. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Number six, summation of r square into NCR. The answer is n into n plus 1 into 2 to the power n minus 2. Okay. Next, 7 part 1. 7 part 1, the answer is 2 plus root 3 whole to the power 6. Everyone got 2701? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
2701. 7 part 2, the answer is 1. Okay, 8 part 1. We need to show that the integral value 8 part 1 and part 2, they both are proof problems. Anyone having any doubt from 1 to 8, tell me. Sarthak, Anandit, Devank,
Question 7, part 2.
7 part 2. Okay, so let us start. It's given we need to find n is equal to 2 plus root 3 whole to the power 6 and f is the fractional part of n. We need to find n into 1 minus f. So let us start. Okay, so Sarthak over here, n is equal to 2 plus root 3 into whole to the power 6. I'm taking f1. f1 as 2 minus root 3 whole to the power 6. Okay. So what is the range of f1? f1 lies between 0 and 1. Right or not?
Yes,
Tell me. f1 lies between 0 and 1. So when you add, what are you getting? When you add, what are you getting? Tell me.
n plus f1 equals to.
N plus f1 is equal to 2 into how much? Something an integer, right?
Yes,
Or
sir.
not? It's an integer, right? Right hand side is an integer.
Yes, sir.
And what is n? N is I plus f. I plus f plus f1 is equal to 2 into some integer part. Now the left hand side is an integer. Right hand side should also be an integer, right?
Yes, sir.
So f plus f1 belongs to integers. Okay. Now where does f lies? F lies between 0 and 1.
Yes.
F1 lies
0
between
and
0 and 1.
1.
So where does f plus f1 lies?
0 and 2.
0 and 2. So what is the value of f plus f1 is equal to 1.
1.
This implies f1 is equal to 1 minus f, right? Therefore, n into 1 minus f is equal to n into f1, right? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
which is equal to 2 plus root 3 whole to the power 6 into 2 minus root 3 whole to the power 6, which is coming as 1.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Understood.
Yes. Okay, this one, the answer is this one. I think the answer is option D. How much you people got? Raktim, how much you got?
So one.
Wait, let me see. Hello, good evening, Memel. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Sir, I got B in this question.
Oh, wait, let me see.
I think I also got B.
Wait. Wait, I think B only. Over here, the answer will be B. Next, this one, the answer is 2 to the power 100. Option D. Over here, option B. Alpha minus beta is equal to minus 132.
10.
10. Okay, I'm solving this out. Okay, this is number 10. Okay. So over here, Sn will be equal to 1 by, wait a minute. Sn will be equal to, first term is 1 minus q to the power n upon 1 minus q. Can you understand? This is Sn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Tn is given to us. So let us find out Tn. Tn will be equal to 1 minus q plus 1 by 2 whole to the power n upon 1 minus q plus 1 by 2. Okay. So next. So I've got Sn. I've got Tn. What are they asking us? They are asking us to find out the value of 101 C1 plus 101 C2 into S1 plus up to 101 C100 C101 into S100. Okay. So let us start. Okay. So over here, 101 into S1, it will become 101 C1 101 C1 into S1 plus 101 C2 into S2. Oh no, 101 C1 into S0 plus 101 C2 into S1 plus 101 C3 into S2 plus dot plus 101 C101 S100. Hello, good evening, Sokrohit. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
You joined so late.
Sir, I messaged you. I mean, I just got a bit late today. Actually, I was outside.
Okay, okay. Acha, I didn't see your message. I guess then.
Sir, I messaged you at 6:30 only. See, I will be late by 15 minutes today.
Oh, acha, I thought Sarthak messaged that one. Oh, you messaged it.
Yes, sir.
That's why I thought Sarthak joined on time, even after messaging. that he will be late. But now I can see that you texted. Okay, next. So this will give us 101 C1 plus 101 C2 into S1 will be, what is S1?
So
I think
one
over here it will be q to the power n plus 1. Yes, because there are n plus 1 terms. Over here also there are n plus 1 terms, so n plus 1. Okay. 101 C2 into S1 will be equal to 1 minus q square upon 1. I mean, q square minus 1 upon q minus 1. Right. Plus 101 C3 into q cube minus 1 upon q minus 1. Plus dot 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 plus 101 C101 q to the power 101 minus 1 upon q minus 1. Okay. So let us simplify this a little bit. Okay. Taking 1 by q minus 1 common. Within brackets, you are getting 101 C1 plus 101 C2 into q square plus 101 C3 into q cube.
sir, why q square?
I have taken 1 by q. Oh, acha, over here also we need to multiply 101 C1 into q minus 1 plus 101 C2 into q square minus 1 plus 101 C3 into q cube minus 1 plus up to 101 C101 into q to the power 101 minus 1. Are you getting?
Yes.
So
sir.
this will become 1 by q minus 1 into 101 C1 into q plus 101 C2 into q square plus dot 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 plus 101 C101 into q to the power 101. Okay, minus 101 C1 plus 101 C2 plus dot 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 plus 101 C101. Okay, so this will become 1 by q minus 1 within brackets. Okay, does it look familiar? Tell me. Does it look familiar?
So 1 plus q to the power 101 minus 101
Exactly.
C0.
Exactly. 1 plus q whole to the power 101. But 101 C0 is missing. So we need to subtract 1. Are you getting?
Yes,
Minus,
sir,
what is
sir.
this? Over here also, this looks familiar.
Pascal law, sir.
What do you want to use in the second one?
So using a pattern following Pascal. No, sir.
Pascal's law?
No, sir. 1 second. Sir.
What are you saying? Pascal's law? Tell me what's the term in the next one. These are
Sir,
sum
one
of all binomial coefficients, right? Except 1. Except 101 C0. So this will be 2 to the power
10 minus 1.
101 minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these two gets cancelled. Okay. What are you getting? You're getting 1 plus q whole to the power 101 minus 2 to the power 1 by q minus 1. 1 plus q to the power 101 minus 2 to the power 101. Okay. So what are they asking us? They are asking us alpha into t100. What is t100? Achha, this is equal to alpha into t100. T100 is, okay, let us calculate this. Tn is equal to multiplying by 2 to the power n plus 1. We'll get q plus 1 whole to the power n plus 1 minus 2 to the power n plus 1 upon q minus 1 into 2 to the power n. Okay. So this will be equal to q plus 1 whole to the power 101 minus 2 to the power 101 upon q minus 1 into 2 to the power 100. Okay. So if you see both sides, okay, these two terms will get cancelled. Okay. You are getting alpha is equal to 2 to the power 100. Is it clear? Tell me, Raktim.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Number 12 is also a proof problem. 13 is also a proof problem. 14, answer is 0. Anyone having any doubt? 13, 12, 13, 14. Next. 15 will be option A. Okay, 16 came in JEE mains. The answer is 70, I guess.
Yes, sir. 70, the next one 105.
Next one is 105. Anyone having any doubt in the homework questions? Tell me. Raktim, Anandit, Devang, Sarthak. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Hello, can you people hear me? Raktim, Anandit,
Yes.
Devang, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So if you have any doubt, tell me. And Sarthak, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mimel, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then we can continue. The last day we have done up to this much. Right, amplitude of -1 plus root 3 iota. Okay. So last day I have taught you how to define a complex number uniquely. Okay. And amplitude and modulus of a complex number also I have discussed, I guess. Okay. So let us continue. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay. This was question number 4. Okay. So next, everyone note. Number 1. If Z is purely real, positive number, positive complex number. If Z is purely real, positive complex number, then amplitude of Z is equal to, what is amplitude of Z? If Z is purely real, positive complex number,
0.
0. Right. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, these are, I mean, you don't have to learn all this. You have to understand. If Z is purely imaginary,
Pi by 2.
pi by 2. Purely imaginary, positive complex number. Okay. Okay, how many are you getting? Then amplitude of Z is equal to pi by 2.
So I didn't go through the previous portions yet.
Okay, so you should ask if you have not understood. You know, right, that this is the real axis, this is the imaginary axis.
Yes, sir.
You might have done it in school.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if Z is lying anywhere over here, positive real axis, what is the angle it is making with the positive x-axis?
0.
Positive 0. So that is why it is 0.
Okay, okay,
And
sir. I get it.
if it is a positive complex number, then
90
what
degree.
angle?
Pi by
90
2.
degree. Okay. Next. If Z is a, wait. If Z is a, okay, if Z is a purely real negative number, then what is the amplitude of Z? If z is purely real, negative number, negative complex number, then
Pi.
Pi.
pi. And lastly, if z is purely imaginary, negative complex number,
So minus pi by 2.
minus pi by 2. A negative complex number, then amplitude of z is equal to minus pi by 2. Okay. Next, number 5. So everyone, what is z dot z bar? Mod z square,
Whole square.
where z is equal to a plus iota b. Next, number 6. If f of a plus ib is equal to x plus iota y, okay, then f of a minus ib is also equal to x minus iota y. Okay, next, number 7. If mod of z minus z naught equals to r, where z is equal to x plus iota y, where z is equal to x plus iota y, and z naught is equal to x naught plus iota y naught. Okay, then on substitution, we get okay, mod of x minus x naught plus iota into y minus y naught equals to r. Okay, so this implies x minus x naught whole square plus y minus y naught whole square equals to r square. What does this equation represent? Tell me.
The locus of a circle with center x0, y0 and radius r.
Exactly. Very good. This implies mod of z minus z naught equals to r is a circle with center z naught and radius r. Remember, these are very important. Okay. So everyone, let us do some problems. Locus based problems are very important in complex numbers. Okay. If you see PYQs, you will understand. Okay. So understanding the locus from the given equation. Okay. So everyone try this out. Okay, try this out, everyone. Okay, these are question number 1 and 2. Yes, Raktim, first one is correct. Okay, should I start, everyone? One part one.
Sir,
Just
1 minute.
sending.
Solve quickly. It's very simple. These are school level problems. Memel, are you solving? Memel, Devang,
Yes,
Onani,
sir.
are you people solving? Send once you have done it. Okay, so actually there's a slight mistake in part two. Part one is correct. Sarthak, part one is correct. Check part two. Devang, part one is correct. Yes, now it is correct, Socrates.
Sir, I didn't see the range of alpha. That was good.
Yes, again, I think there's a slight mistake. Memel, part one is correct. So who is still solving part one?
Sir, do we need to send the picture of this diagram for question number 2?
Yes. You have to draw. Okay, Onini, check your answer again. Part one. Onini, you're making a very bad mistake. Check properly. Yes. Raktim, part two is correct. Memel, part two is correct. Sarthak, part two is correct. Okay, starting with part one. Anandit, there's a slight mistake in part two. Okay, Onini. So over here, we need to find out the modulus of uh, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus iota into root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So Onini, can you see root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2? It is written as cos 15 degree. Can you see this? Tell me. And root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, it is written as sine 15 degree. Can you see? Tell me. Onini.
Yes, sir.
So what is mod set?
1.
Root over cos square 15 degree plus minus iota sine 15 degree. Sorry. Plus minus sine 15 degree square. This will come as 1 only. Very simple. Okay. Yes, Anandit, part 2 is correct. So part 2, Raktim, you understood your mistake in part 2.
Sir, I could not understand.
Okay, I'm solving part 2. 1 plus cos alpha plus iota into sine alpha. So see everyone. Okay. Part 2. Z is equal to 1 plus cos alpha plus iota into sine alpha. Okay. So mod Z. Yes, Sakrit, number 2 is correct. So mod Z will be equal to root over.
Are you telling about that I missed a one square root?
No. 1 plus cos alpha whole square plus sine alpha whole square, right? So you must have got square root of 2 plus 2 cos alpha, right?
Yes, sir.
So this will give us root over 2 into 1 plus cos alpha.
Yes, sir.
Which is equal to root over,
Sir, 2 into cos square alpha by 2.
that is 4 into cos square alpha by 2.
Yes, sir.
That will give us mod of 2 cos alpha by 2. Now we need to understand whether mod will open with a positive sign or a negative sign. Now here alpha belongs to pi comma 3 pi by 2. Right,
Yes, sir, it will open with a negative sign.
exactly. So alpha by 2 belongs to
So pi
pi
by
by 2 comma.
3 pi by 4. But
Exactly.
sign is
So
not
this will be. Tell me, Andini, have you understood part 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve number 2. Memel 3 is
Sir,
correct.
can you hear me?
Yes, Devang, I can hear you. Should I solve number 2, everyone? Describe and sketch the locus. Acha, what does mod of z minus z1 represents? Tell
So
me, everyone.
1.
Okay. Yes, Octolith number 3 is correct. Memel 3 is correct. So what does mod of z minus z1 represents? Yes, Sarthak, right answer. Mod of z minus z1 represents distance from z to z1. Right. So see, distance of a variable point from a fixed point z1 is equal to distance of that variable point from z2. So what is the locus of a point? So I have a question. What is the locus of a point which is equidistant, which is equidistant from z1 and z2? Tell me, what is the locus of a point which is equidistant from both z1 and z2? Tell me, from two fixed points.
Perpendicular bisector of Z1, Z2.
Exactly. So this will be the locus. Perpendicular bisector of both z1 and z2. Right. Tell me, Devang, Raktim, are you people getting?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solve number 3 quickly. Sketch the complex number where locus satisfies the inequality. So you need to understand what does mod of z minus 1 less than 3 signifies and what does mod of z minus 1 greater than 2 signifies.
Sir, can you show the solution of number 2 once?
Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so everyone see. Mod of z minus 1 is less than 3. So what does mod of z minus 1 equal to 3 represents? Tell me.
Circle with radius with center 1 comma 0.
With center 1 comma 0 and radius 3 units?
Radius 3
Right, tell
units,
me,
yes.
everyone. Mod of z minus 1 equal to 3 is a circle with center 1 comma 0. and radius 3. Okay, so let's draw everyone. This is 1, comma 0. Okay, and this is the circle. Okay, and since it is less than 3, it represents all the complex numbers which lie inside the region, right? Not on the circumference, but which lie inside the region. Okay, inside the circle. Next. So similarly, mod of z minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. What does it represent? It is also a circle with center 1, comma 0 and radius 2 units. So basically, they both are concentric circles. Okay. And since it is given greater than or equal to 2, it represents all the points outside the circle. So which one is the intersection part? Tell me.
The
Which
ring
one is
that
the
is formed
intersection of
leaving apart the circumference of the outer circle.
exactly? So this is the region we are concerned about. Right, tell me, Raktim, Anandit, Devang,
Yes, sir.
Onini, Sarthak, are you getting?
Yes.
So this is the ring we are concerned about. Can you find out the area of the ring? Quickly tell me. What is the area of the ring? Is equal
4
to
5.
pi into 3 square minus pi into 2 square. That is 5 pi. 5 pi is the correct answer. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now.
Sir, can you once tell how the center came?
How the
Center, sir.
center what?
So 1 comma 0 that.
It's given now mod of just now we had discussed that
Ah.
mod of z minus z naught is equal to r is a circle with center z naught and radius r. So over here, what is z naught?
Sir, this would be the center. I mean x naught comma y naught. Then it should be
Mhm.
1 comma 1. Why is it 1
Why
comma
1
0?
comma 1? If it is 1 comma 1, then it should have been given z minus 1 minus iota.
Oh, yes, sir. Now I understood.
Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Is it clear? Onini, have you understood? Onini,
Yes,
Devang?
yes.
Okay. So let us do some more problems. Sarthak, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Solve. 6, 7, 8. Question number 9. Z square plus 2 into 1 plus 2 iota into z minus of 11 plus 2 iota is equal to 0. Find z. Question number 10. If f of x is equal to x bar 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44, find f of 3 plus 2 iota. Solve. Okay, should I start with 6, everyone?
So please wait.
Okay. Again, identify the locus. If you don't do it geometrically, it will be very difficult. Is Socrates the right answer? Okay, let me start. We need to find out the value of z having least positive argument. Least positive argument. Yes, Devank, you're saying something.
Yes, sir, I'm saying.
Said. Least positive argument means smallest positive angle. Yes, Devank, your answer is correct. So let us start. We need to find out the value of z having least positive argument, satisfying mod of z minus 25 iota equal to 15. Again, what does mod of z minus 25 iota equal to 15 represents? Tell me. What does it represents?
A
The
circle with
circle is
radius 15 and center 0,25.
Exactly. A circle with radius 15. Yes, Memel 7 is correct. Okay, circle with radius 15 and center is 0,25. Okay. So everyone, which one is the least positive argument? Okay, I mean, this actually represents a set of complex numbers which lie on the circumference of the circle. Means on the circumference of the circle. Okay. So we need to find out the least positive argument. Which one is having the least positive argument? So what do you think? Is this complex number having the least positive argument? Tell me. For least positive argument, okay,
So for
this
least
line
positive argument, that line should be tangent to the circle.
should be tangent to the circle. Means it will touch exactly at one point. I need to find out the point of tangency. Tell me. Can you people understand? Tell me. Devang, Raktim, Onini, Memel. Can you people understand? Sarthok, did you understand for the least positive argument?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And for the maximum argument, it should be tangent on the other side. Can you people understand? For maximum amplitude, not argument, for maximum amplitude, this will be the one. Okay. Anyways, so let us find out least positive argument. Okay. This length is equal to 15. Okay. And this is 90 degree. Might ask you to find out the coordinates x comma y. Okay. From here, let us drop a perpendicular. Okay. Uh, so this is 15. What is this length? What is the distance from the center to the origin? 25.
25.
And what is this? What is this angle? I mean, this length then
20.
20. So let us call this z. Mod z will be equal to root over 25 square minus 15 square. Right. Tell me, everyone. Memel, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So this is 20. Okay. Might ask is to find out x and y. So this is x. This is y. And if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Okay. So let us find out. Let us find out sine theta. Okay. So everyone, sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to 15 by 25. And cos 90 minus theta is equal to 20, 20 by 25. Okay, so I've got the value of sine theta and cos theta. Okay, so everyone, z will be equal to 20 into, within brackets, x will be equal to, x is equal to 20, wait a minute, x will be equal to 20 cos of 20 cos theta plus 20 into sine theta. Okay, so cos theta is how much? Plus iota into 20 sine theta. Cos theta is equal to 15 by 25. That will give us 3 by 5. So 20 into 3 by 5 plus iota into 20 into 4 by 5. Right, tell me. Sarthak, are you getting? This will give us 12 plus
Yes, sir.
16 iota. And on any, have you understand? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you people have understood, solve 7. 7 is very easy. Yes, Sokru is the right answer.
So what is the condition given in it? Z square into 1 comma 1 means?
Z square into the complex number 1 comma 1, 1 plus iota.
Okay.
Sarthak, check number 7.
Sir, 1 minute.
Send, quickly send. 7 is very easy. Anandit, did you understand number 6?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Already, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly solve 7. Yes, Sarthak, still check your answer number 7. 7 is very easy. Don't make a mistake. Female number 9 is correct. Raktim number 7 is correct. Devang. Devang, you have solved number 8. Wait, let me check. So Devang, write down the complex number finally.
No, sir, I've sent it on the second. I've written it on the second page.
Oh, achha.
I've sent it also.
Okay. So Devang, your answer is correct. Yes, Anandit 7 is correct. Sarthak 7 is correct. So who is left for 7? Ondini 7 is correct. So I think everyone has solved 7. Devang is left. No, Devang has done it. Yes, so 7, everyone has solved it. Everyone got x equal to 6, y equal to 1. If anyone having any doubt, tell me. Yes, Memel 10 is correct. Memel, can you send me the full solution of number 10?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Socrates number 8 is correct. So everyone, should I start with 8? Okay, everyone pay attention. Number 8.
So can you just show question number 9 once? I'll copy it down.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Z square is equal to minus 1 plus 7 iota. Z square into 1 comma 1 means 1 plus iota is equal to minus 1 plus 7 iota. So what I can do is I can take 1 plus iota to the right hand side. I'll get Z square is equal to minus 1 plus 7 iota upon 1 plus iota. So let us rationalize. This will give us minus 1 plus 7 iota into 1 minus iota upon 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota. Okay. This will give us minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus iota plus 7 iota. Then this will become minus 7 iota square. So plus 7 divided by 1 plus iota into 1 plus 1 minus iota. This will give us 1 square minus iota square. So basically this will become 6 plus 8 iota upon 2. That is 3 plus 4 iota. Okay, so I've got z square is equal to 3 plus 4 iota. This implies z is equal to square root of plus minus square root of 3 plus 4 iota. Okay, we can find out the square root. What you can do is you can make it a perfect square. Okay, so see,
The iota is 2.
yes, 2 into iota. Okay, this will become 2 square plus iota square, which is equal to plus minus 2 plus iota. Okay, so z is equal to plus minus 2 plus iota. Okay, email so lengthy. Okay, anyways. Yeah, Devang, right answer.
Sir, is there any short way?
Yes. Do you remember we have done in class 10 vanishing method?
Oh, acha. Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I asked you for the full solution. I wanted to know whether you remember or not.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, should I start 9?
So sending.
Send quickly. Yes, Socrates, your answer is correct. Okay, Anandit, there will be one more answer. Okay, let me start with number 9. Socrates, your answer is correct. Z square plus 2 into 1 plus 2. Yes, Anandit, your answer is correct. Yes, what shall we use, everyone, in order to solve this
Sridharacharya.
quadratic? Sridharacharya formula. Let us start. What? Okay, it is Z square plus 2 into 1 plus iota. Okay, this is number 9. Okay, so Z will be equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 2 iota plus minus root over b square, that is 4 into 1 plus 2 iota whole square plus 4ac, 4 into 11 plus 2 iota upon 2. This will give us minus 2 into 1 plus 2 iota plus minus 4. This will 2 will be outside, square root of 1 plus 2 iota whole square. That will give us 1 minus 4 plus 4 iota plus 44 plus 8 iota upon 2. This 2, 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. You are going to get minus 1 minus 2 iota plus minus square root of 44 plus 145 minus 1, 441. What? I'm getting 41 plus 12 iota somewhere.
Sir, why don't you cancel out
Wait,
2
wait,
from
wait.
the entire expression?
Wait. This will be 11 plus 2 iota. By mistake, I wrote. I've already taken 4 outside. So this will become 11 minus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Oh, again 8 plus 6 iota. Up, 8 plus 6 iota. So square root of 8 plus 6 iota, we need to find out. This will become minus 1 minus 2 iota plus minus square root of, this will become 3 square plus iota square plus 2 into 3 into iota. That will give us minus 1 minus 2 iota plus minus 3 plus iota. So your answer is minus 1 minus 2 iota plus 3 plus iota, or minus 1 minus 2 iota minus 3 minus iota. This will become 2, 2 minus iota, or minus 4 minus 3 iota. This is your answer. Is it clear to everyone? There's anyone who couldn't understand, you can ask me. Tell me. Already, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve the last one, everyone. Number 10. Quickly. Is Devank right answer? Okay, I'm starting with the last one, number 10.
Sir, please give 1 more minute.
1 more minute. Okay, solve. Yes. Socrates, your answer is correct. Okay. So everyone see? Okay. Over here, we need to substitute 3 plus 2 iota. So what you do is, over here, you find a quadratic whose one of the root is 2 plus 3 iota. Okay. 3 plus 2 iota. Okay. So everyone pay attention. You find out an equation whose one of the root is 3 plus 2 iota. So let x equal to 3 plus 2 iota. Okay, this implies x minus 3 is equal to 2 iota. Squaring both sides, you are getting x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 4. Actually, minus 4. This implies x square minus 6x plus 13 is equal to 0. After this, what you do is you divide x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44 by x square plus minus 6x plus 13. Okay. So from here, let us divide. What are we getting? Okay, x square. You're going to get x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square. Subtract x power 4 gets cancelled. You're going to get 2x cube. And over here, 4 minus 30 minus 9x square plus 8x. Again, this will go by plus 2x. So you're getting 2x cube minus 12x square plus 26x. Okay, again you subtract. This 2 gets cancelled. You're going to get 3x square minus 18x plus 44 will come down. Again, this will go by plus 3. Okay, so you're getting 3x square minus 18x plus 39. When you subtract, these 2 will get cancelled. You will get a constant. That constant is your answer. Okay, the remainder will be your answer. But why the remainder is your answer, you need to understand. Okay, by using division algorithm. You see, f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44. So when you divide it, okay, it can be written as dividend into quotient, that is x square minus 6x plus 13. Okay, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right, everyone, tell me. Plus 5. So now when you substitute f of 3 plus 2 iota, when you substitute f of 3 plus 2 iota, you see that this whole expression becomes 0. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. You see that this expression x square minus 6x plus 13 will become 0. So you're going to get 5 only. Is it clear to everyone how we can do it with, using division algorithm? Tell me. Ondini, Sarthak, Raktim, Anandit, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
There are other methods also. You can use, you can directly substitute also, but that will be very lengthy. Or else you can use vanishing method also. That is also another way of solving the problem. Okay, let us do some more problems. This is 11, 12, and 13. Okay, wait. Solve. Okay, question number 11, 12, and 13. Oh, wait a minute. This is what question number? 11, 12, 13. Solve. Yes, Sarthak, 13 is correct. Sarthak, check number 12. Socrates, 13 is correct. Sarthak, 12 is correct. So everyone, should I start 11?
So wait, I'm sending.
Please wait.
Memel 13 is correct. Memel 12 is correct. Yes, Anandit, number 12 is correct. Yes, Socrates, number 11 is correct. Okay. So everyone, I think I should start number 11. Yes, Anandit, 13
Sir,
is correct.
sir, one.
Send. You have to tell me the value of theta for which it's purely real as well. And I mean, for purely real, there will be a different answer. For purely imaginary, there will be a different answer. Yes, Devang, your answer number 11 is correct. Socrates, 12 is correct. Anandit, number 13 is correct. Sarthak, for purely real, it is correct. You are making a mistake with purely imaginary. Okay. So let us start everyone. 3 plus 2 iota sine theta upon 1 minus 2 iota sine theta. We need to find out when it can be purely real, purely imaginary. Okay. So 3 plus 2 iota sine theta upon 1 minus 2 iota sine theta. Okay, let us rationalize. Yes. Underneath, your answer is correct. Let us rationalize everyone. Multiplying by 1 plus 2 iota sine theta. upon 1 plus 2 iota sine theta. Okay, let us simplify. This will give us 3 plus 6 iota sine theta plus 2 iota sine theta, that is 8 iota sine theta minus 4 sine square theta divided by 1 plus 2 iota sine theta into 1 minus 2 iota sine theta will give us 1 plus 4 sine square theta. Okay, let us call this z. Okay, so if z is purely real, then sine theta should be equal to 0, right? The imaginary part should be equal to 0. 8 sine theta. 8 sine theta is equal to 0. This implies theta is equal to n pi. Okay. And if z is purely imaginary, then 3 minus 4 sine square theta is equal to 0. This implies sine square theta is equal to 3 by 4. This implies sine theta is equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So let us plot the points where sine theta is equal to plus root 3 by 2. Sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2 over here, means at 60 degree and at 120 degree. Sine theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2 is at 60 plus, 180 degree plus 60 degree and 360 degree minus 60 degree, that is 300 degree. So this implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes.
Devank? Oh, Devank, you have done it. And
Yes, I
Memel, have you
understood.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly solve 2 and 3. Yes. Devank 2 is correct. So who is left for number 12? I think everyone has solved number 12. Raktim, should I start number 12?
Also, 1 second.
Quickly send. Yes, Only your answer is correct. So what is the real part, Raktim?
So 3/5.
Yes. So second one I'm not solving, number 12. The answer is 3 by 5. Everyone has got it. I quickly solve number 13.
So my 13. So
13 is correct. Okay, anyone left with number 13? Let's see. Okay, I think Only is left. Devank is also left, I guess. Only
Sir,
Devank.
solving.
Quickly send. Okay, so everyone see 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota whole to the power n is equal to 1. We need to find out the least positive value of n. Okay, so first of all, let us simplify 1 plus iota upon 1 minus
Sir,
iota.
I've sent.
I haven't received it yet. And already is it done? Yes, Devank, your answer is
Yes.
correct. So already 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota. Okay, when you rationalize, you are going to get 1 plus iota whole square upon 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota whole to the power. Okay, this will give us 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota upon 1 minus iota square. So over here we are getting 1 and iota square will get cancelled. This will come as I only. So finally you are getting I to the power n is equal to 1. So tell me the least positive integer for which I to the power n is equal to 1. Tell me on any
So 4.
4. This implies n is equal to 4. Okay, let us do some more problems, everyone. Okay, 14, 15, 16. Quickly solve. 14, 15, 16. Question number 17. Let Z1 and Z2 be two complex numbers satisfying mod of Z1 is equal to 9 and mod of Z2 minus 3 minus 4 iota is equal to 4. Find the minimum value of. Okay, should I start number 14, everyone?
So please wait.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Okay, send quickly. Software, there is a slight mistake. And Raktim, check your answer again. Yes, software,
So
now
now,
it is correct. Now it is correct. Quickly solve. Improve your speed, everyone. Yes, Raktim, check your answer again. Okay, we can start. In the polynomial, if two roots of the equation are 2 and iota, we need to find out the value of a. So let us start, everyone. If one of the root is iota, since one of the root is iota, what is the other root?
Minus iota.
Other root is minus iota. Okay. So let the last root be alpha. Okay, we need to find out alpha first. Yes, Raktim, your answer is correct. So, Sarthak, can you tell me a method in which I can find out alpha? By looking at the equation, what can you think? How can we find out the value of alpha? Which relation between roots and coefficients we should use to find out the value of alpha? Tell me, Sarthak.
Sum of the
Sum, but sum is another but sum of the roots is equal to minus a by 2. A is not given. How will we find out? It will be difficult. So, only tell me, what can you think by looking at the equation? Which relation we should use between coefficients and roots to determine the value of alpha? Tell me.
Product.
Product. Very good. Right. So product of the roots, that is alpha into iota into minus iota into other root is 2. Right. Tell me. Sarthak, do you remember? Product of all the roots will be equal to negative minus 3 by 2
d by yes.
minus d by a. Na?
Yes, sir. Minus d.
D by a. Okay. Achha, wait a minute. Let me see. Minus a by 2 plus b by 2 minus c by 2 plus 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2. Okay, so from here we'll get the value of alpha. So iota into minus iota will become minus iota square. That will be 1. So alpha will be equal to 3 by 4. Done. Now it is very simple to find out the value of a. So for a, what do we need to use? Devank, you tell me for a, which relation we should use? Devank? Achha,
Sir, can
maybe
I
you.
say something?
I'm asking you that which relation we should use to find out the value of a. I've already found out the last root. Which relation we should use to find out the value of a? Tell me. Memel, you tell me. To find out the value of a, which relation between the coefficients and the roots we should
Sir,
use?
sum of roots.
Sum of the roots. Very good.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you. What happened?
Sir, power cut is happening in here. So,
Power cut is happening.
yes, sir, now my network came back.
So sum of the roots will be equal to 3 by 4 plus 2 plus iota plus minus iota. This will be equal to minus a by 2. Okay. Iota and minus iota gets cancelled. We are getting minus a by 2 is equal to 11 by 4. This implies a is equal to what? A is equal to minus 11 by 2. Is it clear? Tell me. Memel, Andrini, Devank,
Yes, sir.
Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
Anandit. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Move on to number 15.
Sir, can you please do the last part once?
Yes. Yes,
Yes, sir,
Memel
done.
15 is correct. Yes. So, Sokrit, can
I
you
can
write
scroll.
down? Yes, yes, Sarthak, what are you saying?
I can please scroll up the question.
Yes. So, Sarthak, did you understand number 14?
Yes.
Sokrit, can you write down the complex number? You just written the value of x. I want
I
the
mean, for question number 6. Acha, okay, okay.
They're asking us to find out the value of.
Right, so writing it.
Okay, find the value of mod of z1 minus z2. A similar kind of question has come in mains also. I think the exact question or a similar kind of question came in mains 2 years ago. Number 17.
Sir, I've sent to 15 as well.
15 is correct. Socrates. Now it is
This
correct.
is the complex number for 60.
Now it is correct. Yes, Sarthak, right answer. Okay, should I start everyone? Number 15? Yes. Okay. Actually, Anandit, there is a slight mistake in number 15, which you wrote. Oh, no, no, no. Wait a minute. No, Anandit 15 is correct. Sarthak 15 is correct. So who is left? Okay, Devank and Onini. Should I start 15? Devank and Onini? Tell me. Okay, so everyone pay attention. Z plus mod Z is equal to 1 plus 7 iota. So start by taking Z is equal to x plus iota y. Very simple. This is number 15. Z plus mod Z is equal to 1 plus 7 iota. So let Z is equal to x plus iota y. Okay, this implies x plus iota y plus root over x square plus y square is equal to 1 plus 7 iota. Okay, comparing both sides, this implies x plus root over x square plus y square. This will be equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Okay, so everyone, y is okay. So I've already got the value of y. So substitute y over here. We are getting x plus root over x square plus 7. 7 square, that is 49, is equal to 1. This implies x square plus 49 is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Tell me, Devank and Onini, are people getting? This implies x square plus 49 is equal to 1 plus x square minus 2x. X square gets cancelled. You are getting the value of x is equal to minus 25. X is minus 25. Y is equal to 7. So mod z square.
Sir, x is minus 24.
Oh, wait a minute. Minus 24, sorry. So mod z square is equal to x square plus y square. That is 24 square plus 7 square. That is 625. Is it clear, Onrini and
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Devang? Okay. Try out number 16 quickly. Okay, Socrates, can you draw the diagram and show?
Okay, sir.
Again, you need to understand the locus. If you don't understand the locus, I mean, what is given, like see mod of z plus 3 minus iota, what is given over here? Equal to 4. And amplitude of z is equal to pi by 4. What is given over here? You need to understand what it represents in the Argand plane. What does it represents in the Argand plane?
Sir, I've sent you one possible diagram.
There will be exactly one diagram.
The condition is at
Uh,
minimum value of.
Diagram is not correct. Even though your answer is correct, I'm not saying that the answer is not correct. Answer is correct, but the diagram is not correct.
Sir, if my diagram is not correct, that means my idea was also wrong. You explain it once everyone is done with this problem.
Okay. Okay, so everyone, amplitude of z is equal to pi by 4 and mod of z plus 3 minus iota equal to 4. So what does amplitude of z is equal to pi by 4 represents? Tell me. Devank, Anandit, Raktim, tell me. Sarthak, tell me. You people have done last week's class. Tell me. Mimel also tell me what does amplitude of z is equal to pi by 4 represents on the Argand plane. Huh?
Makes an angle pi by 4 with positive axis.
That means only a ray originating from origin. Right. Only a ray. Right. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And mod of z plus 3 minus iota equal to 4. What does it represents? A circle with center minus 3 comma 1. Right. A circle with center minus 3 comma 1 and radius 4 units. Okay, this is how it represents. This is what it represents. So their intersection point will give us the value, right? Tell me everyone. Their intersection point will give us the complex number. Okay. So since argument of z is equal to pi by 4, okay, can I say z is equal to x plus iota into x? Tell me everyone. Okay, z is equal to x plus iota into x, and it is written that argument of z. Okay, so I think we can substitute over here. Okay, so everyone, mod of z plus 3 minus iota is equal to mod of x plus iota x plus 3 minus iota is equal to, this is given as 4. Okay, so squaring both sides and simplifying, we are getting x plus 3 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square is equal to 16. So from here, what are we getting? 2x square plus 6x minus 2x 4x plus 9 plus 1 10 minus 16 minus 6 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2, we are getting x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So from here, we'll get the value of x. Are you people getting? Tell me. This implies x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 3 comma 1. Achha, tell me, which value we should take? What do you think? Should we take both
Sir,
or
only
only
one.
one?
That is
So only
x
the
equal
first
to 1.
value -3.
Only minus 3. Devang, we should take minus 3. Devang, why should we take minus 3?
Sorry, sir. Wait, we have to take minus. Sorry, we have to take 1.
We have to take 1, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it is lying in the first quadrant.
First quadrant. Yes, sir.
X equal to minus 3 is rejected. Since z lies in first quadrant. Okay. So therefore, z is equal to 1 plus iota. This is your answer. Tell me. Already, is it clear? Okay. Note,
Yes, sir.
if amplitude of z was given as 3 pi by 4, then what should be the value of z? Then z is equal to, tell me. Can anyone tell me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between. If amplitude of z is given as 3 pi by 4, then what is the value of z in this question? Somebody tell me, raise your hand. Nobody is raising their hand. Or am I inaudible? Tell me. Anandit, Raktim, Socrates. If amplitude of z is given as 3 pi by 4, yes, Raktim, tell me.
Sir, x plus xi.
I'm asking you the value of z, x plus xi. Okay, I'm asking you the value of z. I have solved the whole question. Yes, Socrates, tell me, what should we take?
Then we can also take x equal to -2 into consideration.
X equal to?
-3. We
Both.
can also take x equal to -3.
How can we take both? We have to take only one. Tell me the complex number z. Tell me the final answer. Okay.
-3 iota.
No,
Achha,
there's a
no,
slight.
-3 plus 3 iota. Sorry, -3 plus 3
Yes.
iota.
Now you're talking.
Because tan of 3 pi by 4 will come as -1. So x equal to -y in this case.
Are you people getting? Tell me. If z is equal to 3, I mean, if argument of z was given as 3 pi by 4, then z is equal to x minus iota x. Right? Tell me, everyone. Sorry. Not x. Minus x plus iota x. Wait a minute. 3 pi by 4, na? Y is equal. Or, I mean, both are correct. You take x minus iota x or minus x plus iota x. Okay, no problem. But they will be negatives of each other. Right? Tell me. Sarthak, Memel,
Yes.
Onani, Devang,
Yes, sir.
Anandit, are you people able to visualize it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's very important. Okay. Next. Okay. Then that will be equal to minus 3 plus 3 iota in the previous question. Okay. Everyone solve number 17 quickly. Quickly solve. I'm coming in 1 minute. Okay, everyone, I'm solving this one. So you people tell me, what does mod of Z1 equal to 9 represents? Tell me. Where does Z1 lies? Tell me.
So this represents a circle with center 0, 0 and radius 3 on, I mean radius 9.
Radius 9 and center is
0,
origin.
0.
Right, tell me, everyone. Are you people getting? Devang, Raktim,
Yes,
Anandit,
sir.
Onini, Memel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and speak up. Okay, this is how the circle looks like. Okay, next there is another circle. Mod of Z2 minus 3 minus 4 iota. So Memel, you tell me, what is the center and the radius over here? Mod of Z2 minus 3 minus 4 iota equal to 4. What is the center and the radius? Quickly tell me. Memel,
Yes, sir, telling.
quickly.
Sir, radius 7, center 4.
Radius 7? How? How is the radius 7? Tell me. Memel, how is the radius 7? Memel, tell me, how is the radius 7?
No, sir.
Then
Sir, radius 4.
radius 4. And what is the center?
3, 4.
Radius center is 3 comma 4. So the circle will lie somewhere over here with radius 4 units. Okay.
Sir, I've sent you the answer. Please check it once.
Yes, it is correct. But again, Devang, your diagram is not
The
correct.
diagram is wrong. Yes, sir. Yes, I took the center wrong. Sorry, sir. Yes, I understood.
Okay. So 3 comma 4. Tell me, Onini, are you getting? 3 comma 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And since the radius is 4 units, it will touch x-axis. Okay. It will touch x-axis. Next. Acha, what is the distance between their centers? Everyone, what is the distance between their centers? 5 units, right?
5 units.
Distance between their centers. Centers is equal to 5 units. And R1 minus R2 is also equal to 5 units, right? So what does it implies? It implies that the circles touch each other internally. Right, tell me, everyone. The circles touch each other internally. Can you people understand? Yes or no? This is how the diagram will look like. Okay. Now, since the circles are touching internally, okay, what is the minimum distance between any two complex numbers lying on their circumferences? Tell me. What is the minimum distance?
0.
0. That is at the point of tangency, right? So mod of Z1 minus Z2 will be equal to 0. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Memel, Anandit,
Yes,
Raktim,
sir.
Sarthok, Onani, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Let us do another
Yes,
one.
sir.
Solve everyone. 18, 19. Okay, so tomorrow again, everyone, can we do the class from 8:30 only? Tell me. Hello, everyone. Tomorrow's class will be from 8:30 only. Anani, Sarthak, Anandit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In March, I think I'll be missing one or two class. Okay. So Tuesday's class I'm extending. Okay. For the whole of March. Tell me, should I start? Number 18?
Sir, please wait.
Okay, Sarthak, check your answer again. Is Socrates right answer?
So one.
Okay, Sarthak, check your answer again. Email, check your answer again. Yes, Sarthak, now it is correct. Email, it is correct. Tell me, everyone, should I start? Yes, Socrates number 19 is correct.
So I have sent.
Wait, let me check. Rakim, it is written Z is not equal to 0. See?
Sorry, sir, I missed it.
Okay. Yes, Anandit, right answer. So almost everyone has given it
Sir, the other
except.
answer is correct.
Huh. So Devang and Onini, should I start 18?
Yes, sir.
Argument of Z is equal to pi by 2. What does it represents? Devang on the argument plane. Devang,
Sir, positive y-axis.
positive y-axis. Right. The whole of positive y-axis will be painted. Yes, Onini, right answer. And what does mod of Z minus iota is equal to 1 represents? What does z minus iota equal to 1 represents? A circle?
Circle with
So
radius.
with radius 1 and 0 comma minus 1 as a center.
0 comma 1.
0 comma 1 as center. Yes.
So it will touch the origin also. Right, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what is the intersection point of this circle and the ray? Tell me. You have to find out the intersection point. That is where that lies. Tell me, which one is the
0,
intersection point?
2.
0 comma 2.
2.
Actually, 0 comma 0 is also there, but it is given z is not equal to 0. So your final answer is z is equal to 2 iota. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, memo number 19 is correct. Quickly solve, everyone. A point z moves on the curve. So again, a circle is given. You need to find out the minimum and maximum value of mod z. If you have done circles chapter with me, this is like a cup of cake. Okay, so everyone see, a point z moves.
Just 1 minute, sir.
Quickly send Raktim, Anandit, Andrini, Sarthok, Devang. Yes, Andrini, right answer. Okay. Raktim, check your answer again. Everyone pay attention. What is the center and the radius? Yes. Anandit, your answer is correct. What is the center and the radius?
Sir, 4, 3 and
So
2.
4, 3 and 2.
Radius is 2 units. Okay. We need to find out the minimum and maximum value of mod z. So minimum value will be when it passes through the center of the circle, right? This is where you will get the minimum value, and this is where you will get the maximum value. So mod z minimum. And what is the
So it will
center?
be
Center
answer
is,
3 and 7.
yes, now it is correct. So mod z minimum will be equal to root over 4 square plus 3 square. minus radius, that is 3 units, and mod z maximum will be equal to root over 4 square plus 3 square minus plus 2, that is 7. Is it clear, Onrini? Sarthak, is it
So I
clear?
solved it.
Okay. Okay, we can do one last one, everyone. Last one for today, question number 20. One last problem. Question number 20. Solve. Last question, everyone. Again, this is very simple. Just need to identify the locus.
Sir, I've asked you something over WhatsApp.
Yes, Socrates. But that is the whole point of the question. And should I start?
Send to sir.
Yes. Your answer is correct. So what do you think, everyone? Sum of the distances from two fixed points is equal to constant. What does Z represents? Tell me. An ellipse. So is it a vertical ellipse or a horizontal ellipse, Sarthak?
Horizon.
Horizontal. Why horizontal? Vertical ellipse. Because the foci lies on y-axis, I mean the imaginary axis. Can you understand?
Okay, sir.
Memel, Devang, Anandit, Raktim, are you people getting?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will represent an ellipse. We need to find out the maximum value of mod z. Maximum value of mod z, you will get it over here only, right? What is mod z? Tell me, everyone. What is the coordinates of this point? Can anyone tell me?
0, 4i.
0, comma 2,
0,
somebody
4,
say.
0, 4.
4. Mod z is equal to 4. See, very simple.
Sir, it will be 4i, no? I mean,
Uh,
are you into plotting this on the Argand plane?
z is equal to 4 iota, but mod z is equal to 4. Okay.
Yes. I was talking about the coordinates of the upper vertex. Anyway.
0, comma 4. This will be 0, comma minus 4. Okay. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Memel, is it clear? Memel, Devang,
Yes, sir.
Raktim, Anandit, Onini,
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I think everyone, we can keep it till now. Tomorrow's class will start from 8:30. Okay. thank you everyone and good night.
Happy
Okay.
Holi.
Yes, happy
Thank
Holi
you,
to
sir.
everyone. Thank you and good.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you, sir.